Hello, welcome back. The reason I haven't been uploading a lot lately is because of this. I've been printing this for someone I know, and it has taken a lot of time. Like, look at this. The person wanted the axe of Kratos from God of War, and this is a banana, and this is the sheer amount of pieces. Like, every segment is as big as a banana. That's ridiculous. Today I show you how I printed my 3D printed helmet, or mask, if you want to say it like that. Now I have to prime this, which is why you can see it. Every time I see on YouTube, you have to prime this, you have to do that, and I wanted just to test it because I hear a lot of different opinions about this. So I went ahead and tried it out. I'm using this spray paint, but it doesn't show a lot of shine, and it also can't be lacquered over to it, so you can't apply clear varnish. It's really cold outside, so it tends to form these speckles. I quickly heated up the spray paint can with my hairdryer. Let's see if it makes a difference. So if it's fully ready, I might show it again. Okay, see you later, guys.